Hey guys, if you want to get your old YouTube layout, so you have to search on Google search box user agent switcher Chrome, then click on this and you have got user agent switcher for Chrome. This extensions, add to Chrome, then add extensions, and finally this is added. Then go to your YouTube homepage, then double click and Internet Explorer, then Internet Explorer 10. This work nice. Actually guys, this is the first method, and there is another method I have, and now I am show you the other method. Is this where you have to click on this gear icon and that this YouTube Studio, and then when you will get, have to click this setting, click on the settings, Creator Studio Classic, and then save, escape, and then click. This works 100%. Okay, but I will prefer you the first, because this does not work all time. Okay guys, please try our that I have showed a few times ago, and please don't forget to like, comment and share my channel, and also lot of thanks.